Welcome to Python Building Blocks. In this session, we will discuss about functions. Myself, Raghu Prasad Konandur, your instructor for this course. So what is a function? Function is nothing but a block of code which only runs when it is called, right? See, sometimes what happens when we wanted to do some kind of we wanted to create a block which may be used multiple times. The same code is being used multiple times, then we will define it as a function so that you can write it once and it can be called many times. So that is what is the advantage of using the function. And you can pass the data to a function which is called as a parameter. And function can also return a value. So how do we create a function? In order to create a function, we have to use the def, define or def keyword, define, and then the function name, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. If there is no arguments, you can keep empty within that. And then the what you wanted to do in the function and the indentation. So indentation is a must. And then the what is the body of the function. In order to call a function, you have to just use the name of the function, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and again depending on the number of parameters. If the parameters are n number of parameters, then you have to pass those n number of parameters. This is how you can create a function and then you can call a function. And you can pass an argument to a function, right? A parameter or an argument to a function. Suppose here the name is the argument. If you look at this def my function, the f name, I want to pass the name, right? And then I will print f name is equal to this. So whenever I'm calling this function, you can call with the names like Emil or Tobias or Linus. These are all the names. So you here the name f name is the parameter. So when you call a function, it has to match with the number of parameters which is defined in the function. There are some special arguments that is called one single star args and double star kwargs. They are used for a specific purpose. Sometimes what happens, we do not know the number of parameters we wanted to pass. If I know the number of parameters, then I can mention it. But if we don't know the parameters may vary, then you can use star args. So these are the special symbols used for passing the arguments. The one is called as the keyword arguments, non-keyword arguments. Keyword arguments is like key value pair, and that is used with by represented by star keyword arguments, and single star is the non-keyword argument. So these are the special symbols used for passing the parameter. So this would be of much help when we start using this. Okay, so let's head back to programming and then do all these programs.